Kinship is one of the main organizing principles of society. It is one of the basic social institutions found in every society. This institution establishes relationships between individuals and groups. People in all societies are bound together by various kinds of bonds. Family relationship is the most common among these bonds. Today, we are going to take a look at different relationship terms. Much of these terms pretty much derive from Spanish, with so little borrowed locally. Father is commonly known as Tata, though older Chavacano speakers still use Padre, which is, by the way, its Spanish translation. But Padre is commonly used to refer to a priest in Zamboanga. So when I say mi tata, it means my father. Older Chavacano speakers refer mother as madre, its Spanish translation. Madre in Chavacano refers to nun. Mother is commonly known as nana. So when we say mi nana, it means my mother. Next are grandfather and grandmother, which we say abuelo and abuela respectively, just like in Spanish. Hermano is the Chavacano word for brother, while hermana is for sister. We call our male cousin as primo, while female cousin as prima. When referring to your male and female cousins, we can simply say my cousins in English. Collectively, in Chavacano, we have to say mi mga primo y prima. Padrino is the Chavacano counterpart for godfather. Godmother, on the other hand, is called madrina. We say tia when calling our aunt, a female sibling or cousins of your parents. Technically, the wife of your parents' brother, if there is any, is also called the same thing. Auntie, while not a Spanish term, is widely used when referring to our aunt. Tita is also commonly used in Zamboanga. We say tío when calling our uncle, a male sibling or cousins of your parents, and also the husband of your parents' sister. Uncle, just like auntie, is widely used in Zamboanga. Tito is also commonly said. A son of your hermano or hermana and even your cousins is called sobrino, while a daughter is called sobrina. If you are married, you will call your wife as mi esposa or mi mujer, but mujer is commonly used compared to esposa. On the other hand, you would call your husband as mi esposo, but the commonly used term in Zamboanga is mi marido or marido. While hijo and hija are used to call a son and a daughter, anak is widely used. Generally, anak is used regardless of gender, though it can be specific as saying mi anak hombre or mi anak mujer. You would call your father-in-law and mother-in-law as suegro and suegra respectively. And the last one, but definitely not the least, you would call your brother-in-law as cuñao or cuñado, while we say cuñada to mean our sister-in-law. Hey, it's Chris. Check out our episode about Chavacano pronouns. Or how about learning to tell time, which may come in handy. And make sure to click that subscribe button so you won't miss a single episode. See you next time.